Hello guys, today I have the Marshall SN60 and I'm going to show you how to install the app for your iPhone and set it up with your speaker. First, open the App Store, search for Marshall, scroll down until you see the Marshall app from Marshall Group AB and tap Get. You'll need to authorize using Face ID, Apple ID, password, or Touch ID depending on your device. Tap Open, wait for the intro to finish, then tap Next. You can skip the newsletter, skip analytics, and ask the app not to track. Now allow the app to find nearby devices, tap Add New Device, and allow again. You'll see some devices listed, tap Add for yours. I recommend performing a factory reset before pairing with the app. Tap Start Setup, select Wi-Fi option, click Continue, and tap OK to share Wi-Fi settings. Wait a moment, then tap Next. Tap Done when you see complete and wait a moment. Now continue, and you're prompted to rename your device, but you can skip that. You can set up Google Cast or tap Skip. Here you'll see room correction, sound modes, and integrated music services. Tap Get Started and check for firmware updates. If there's an update, click it and wait about 15 minutes with the app open. Keep the device plugged in and don't use it. Goodbye.